Yo guys, I'm 1 subscriber away from getting 5 subscribers. I set a challenge for you guys to get 5 subscribers by the end of the week, by Friday. But we haven't even got to Monday yet. We're still on Saturday night. So guys, make sure, Sonny, my dad told you to leave them closed.
It don't matter. Otherwise, when it's dark, we can't see.
So guys, you can subscribe to me. I would love it, and comment down below. Comment down below anything you would like. Comment down below anything. I will give you a shout out in the next. I'll give you a shout out in the next 7 days. Next week, I'll give you a shout out next week, Saturday night or Sunday. So guys, make sure to like and subscribe. Comment down below anything so I can like and subscribe to you. And
Hi guys, my brother's doing a YouTube video.
yep, my Ruby's doing.
I want a YouTube video.
Alright, Sonny needs a YouTube
In
channel.
like
So
2
Sonny,
more days now.
look, what?
In 3 more or 2 more days, 2 more sleeps. Or 3 more.
Hi guys.
We are going.
Let's do this sound.
Yep. So 2 more sleep. Until
And my brothers are coming.
we got
My
another
brother's daddies and
usual
Brothers'
an
daddies
unusual sound. Go.
And my
Alright guys, I'll make sure, I'll ask my dad if I can bring my phone tomorrow and I can video what my football match. Okay guys, so like and subscribe. I'm going Bognor Butlins on Monday, so 1 day but from 12 o'clock in the morning tonight. Right guys, like and subscribe. And make sure, comment down below what your favourite game is. Like and subscribe.